No.
She said no.
Riley, it's not working.
Sound asleep. Poor little thing.
I don't think you're getting it, Riley.
That's it.
You have her head supported
What do you mean supported?
underneath,
Put your hand under her chin.
so she.
It's all about choice. Freedom of choice. You choose how you want to save. Choose from 3 great offers. And save more.
George, maybe all we can hope for is she doesn't fall out of the chair.
George, I believe you and I need more practice.
Right now during the 4th of July savings event. Let your
You
savings
want to
ring.
keep my thumb out of your eye?
Your home store. You're gonna love this place.
She's holding her foot.
How's drank milk?
5 and 9 tomorrow.
Now she's awake.
Mom!
Maybe you could put her on your shoulder.
You could do that too.
Now let's see if you can do that. Watch her head. Don't let her head flip back.
I wouldn't talk to Mama. Grandmama.
What?
I'll throw up on the shirt. I own it. Yeah, that's it.
He's better than most